Today we will learn how to make this heart crochet. We have taken that 100% acrylic yarn. This ball I got it for 45 rupees. First we'll make magic ring, then chain 3. If you don't know how to make magic ring, already I have shared video for that. So after making chain 3, we have to make 3 treble crochet in the magic ring. So we have to yarn it over, and this way we have to make 3 treble crochet. So this is our first treble crochet. I'm showing it very slowly so that you will understand. This is first treble crochet done. Now second. So this way we have to make these 3 treble crochet. This is our second treble crochet. So after chaining 3 treble crochet, see 2 treble crochet done. Now this is third one. Follow the process. I am showing it very slowly so that you can follow it easily. After making 3 treble crochet, then we have to make 3 double crochet. So 3 treble crochet done. See how it looks, and we can just adjust it. 3 double crochet, yarn over, pull through. This way we have to make double crochet. So this is our first double crochet done. After 3 treble crochet, 3 double crochet. So this is our second double crochet. 2 double crochet done. I have shared the pattern also. You can see on the screen so that it would be easy. When you will note down, you will understand how we are making it. So see 3 treble crochet and 2 double crochet. Now this is our third double crochet. See 3 treble crochet and 3 double crochet. Now our half side of heart is almost done. One chain 1 we have to do, and then 1 treble crochet, only 1 treble crochet. Now see the half mirror image is made when we are doing this 1 treble crochet. So this is the half of our heart, one like half side, and then chain 1. After treble crochet, chain 1. See, this is the mirror image. Now 3 double crochet. Same pattern we have to follow. Now after chaining 1, 3 double crochet. This is our second double crochet. And now this is our third double crochet. Now 3 treble crochet we have to make. See, the other side we have started making 3 double crochet done. Now 3 treble crochet. So this way we have to make our cute little heart, which you can use it in many ways. 1 treble crochet done. This is our second treble crochet. Second done. Now only 1 treble crochet is left, and we are about to finish our cutest heart. This is third treble crochet. Now we have to be just little careful because now we are going to end this heart. So we'll just pull it up this yarn so that it will take a shape. Then chain 3. Like initially we have started with chain 3, so same way we have to end up with chain 3. Now see, pull the yarn and see the shape. Already we got the shape. Now in this hole we have to do slip stitch. So we'll make 1 slip stitch and then chain 1, and it is done. We'll snip it off and our heart is complete. So chain 1 and now snip it off. So it was so quick and easy and we can use it in many ways. We can like decorate our gifts, we can use it as appliques. So many ways we can use it for hairpins. And if you can't make it, you want to buy it, you can follow my Instagram handle. I'll share the Instagram handle page on the screen. You can just follow me there. You can DM me if you want to buy my crochet stuff. So it can be customized, and if you want to make yours, I have shared the tutorial. So I'll share the Instagram handle. You can follow me there also. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless.